In this video, we're going to talk about how to edit workbook metadata in C#. What's up, coders? Today, we're going to learn about using IronXL in C# to edit workbook metadata. So for this purpose, I've created a C# project in Visual Studio. If you want to follow along, make sure you do so as well. Also, make sure that you have the IronXL installed already, and you can get it using the NuGet package manager. I've already done so. So let's go ahead and navigate to the program CS file here, where I have some code ready to go for us. All right, so we start by adding the using IronXL at the top, and this helps us use the IronXL magic. So we go ahead and load an Excel file named sample.xlsx using the IronXL workbook class. Next, we'll add some special notes to the Excel file, like who made it and what it's about. We use this metadata property of the workbook class to do this. So with it, we can set the author, comments, title, keywords, and any other Excel metadata that we want. We can also find when the file was made and the last time it was printed. And then we will use the metadata again, get the created and last printed dates. So let's save our work and we'll keep it in a new file called editedmetadata.xlsx. All right, so let's execute our program and wait for the processing to complete. All right, the edited files with the changes have successfully been saved. Ready to see the magic? Let's go ahead and open up the Excel file side by side to compare the changes that were made. So here you can see our edit Excel file now has all the extra information added. So there you go. You've now learned how to use the IronXL library to make your Excel files even better. IronXL is a super powerful library without using Interop, so you can do more cool stuff. Just go in, explore, and see all the cool things that you can do. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we ask you to subscribe if you'd like some more helpful tutorials from Iron Software. Also, if you haven't checked out the software yourself, there's a link in the description. Go to it, take you to the website. You can download and install the package and explore.